The LANDAUER Luxel Plus is a dosimeter worn on the body that monitors occupational dose for veterinarians and technicians working with X-ray, fluoroscopy, CT, and any other radiation-producing equipment. The OSL technology used in Luxel has many benefits over the alternative TLD dosimeters. The lower limit of detection for Luxel Plus is 1 millirem, while TLD dosimeters can only measure accurately down to 10 millirems. This can potentially result in missed doses, especially from equipment that typically has low output. Luxel dosimeters are able to be submerged, can withstand high heat and humidity, and even sudden temperature changes. This means they can be put through the laundry or left in a hot car without damage. If you do that to a TLD dosimeter, you'll probably need to buy a new one. One of the most important features of Luxel dosimeters is the ability to reread the data. This can help protect your practice from liability should a question about exposure arise in the future. TLD dosimeters can only be read once. Wear periods are dependent on various factors, but if you only need to report once a year, then Luxel dosimeters are perfect for you. They can be worn for up to 12 months, whereas TLD dosimeters usually max out at 3 months. Our online portal, MyLDR, provides easy self-service functionality to make your dosimetry management a breeze. When it comes time to exchange your dosimeters, you can rest easy knowing your new set of badges will arrive before the next wear period begins. You can trust LANDAUER to help you keep your employees safe while remaining compliant with state and federal regulations.